Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic plane geometry. In the previous video, we looked at the angle properties of a quadrilateral and we took some examples on how to use this property to find the angles in a quadrilateral. In this video, we are going to study how to find the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. So what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed plane figure with straight sides. So if you have any plane figure with straight sides that is closed, we say that you have a polygon. So for example, a quadrilateral is an example of a polygon because it's a plane figure. The sides are closed and the sides are also straight. A triangle is an example of a polygon. These are not the only polygons that we have. We have other ones and you will see them as the video progresses. Now, the angles in a polygon are called interior angles and those outside are called exterior angles. I hope by this time you are conversant with interior and exterior angles. So if you take a polygon, the angles inside the polygon are called interior angles and those outside are called exterior angles. For a regular polygon, all the interior angles are equal and the sides are also equal in length. So if you take a regular polygon, for any regular polygon, all the interior angles are equal and the sides are also equal in length. Examples of regular polygons are squares and equilateral triangles. For squares, you see that all the sides are equal, all the four sides are equal, then the interior angles are also equal. The same thing applies to equilateral triangles. All the sides are equal and the interior angles are also equal. When you have a polygon like that, we say that you have a regular polygon. Now, the table below shows the names of some special types of polygon. So, this is the number of sides of the polygon. Then here is the name of the polygon. So, if you have a polygon with 3 sides, the name of the polygon is a triangle. We know that a plane figure with 3 sides is called a triangle. So, any closed plane figure with 3 sides is called a triangle. 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. That's the general name for all plane figures with 4 sides. With 5 sides is called a pentagon. 6 sides is called a hexagon, and the name continues. So in this video, when you mention, let's say, an octagon, you should know that we are talking about an 8-sided plane figure. Let's say we mention a heptagon, we are talking about a 7-sided plane figure. Now, how do you find the interior angles and exterior angles of these polygons? You've seen how to find the interior angles of a triangle. You've seen how to find the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Now, let's see how we can find the interior angles of a pentagon, a hexagon, a heptagon, an octagon, a nonagon, and the list continues. We are going to see how to find this. Interior angles, so interior and exterior angles of a polygon. So we are going to first consider the interior angles. If a polygon has n sides, so we are representing the number of sides of the polygon with the letter n, then the sum of all the interior angles is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So if the polygon has n sides, then the sum of the interior angles in the polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. I hope you understand that. So let's say we have a 3-sided polygon. It means that n is going to be 3. So if you want to find the sum of the interior angles of that polygon, just replace n with 3 and simplify this whole expression here. Let's say we have an 8-sided polygon. If you want to find the sum of the interior angles of this 8-sided polygon, just replace n with 8 and simplify the expression that you have here, and the answer that you get, that will be the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. If the polygon is a regular polygon, we know that for regular polygons, all the interior angles are equal. So if the polygon is a regular polygon, then each interior angle is given by n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So if the polygon is a regular polygon, because we know that all the interior angles are equal, if you want to find one of them, you divide the sum of the interior angles by the number of sides of the polygon. That is why we're having n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. We are going to pick some examples so you see how to use the formula that we have here. Let's move on to the exterior angle. The sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So it doesn't matter which type of polygon. The sum of the interior angles of the exterior angles of all polygons is 360 degrees. So if it's a heptagon, a hexagon, a nonagon, pentagon, it doesn't matter. If you sum all the exterior angles, you are going to get 360 degrees. But if the polygon is a regular polygon, because we know that for regular polygons the interior angles are equal, the exterior angles are also equal. Each exterior angle is equal. So if the polygon is a regular polygon, then each exterior angle is given by 360 degrees divided by n. That's the 360 degrees we have here divided by the number of sides, where n is the number of sides of the regular polygon. So the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. If the polygon is a regular polygon, then each exterior angle is given by 360 degrees divided by n, where n represents the number of sides of the regular polygon. Now let's see how we can apply these formulas to solve some questions. Let's take the first question. A regular polygon has 8 sides. So here the question is telling us that the polygon is a regular polygon. Find the exterior angle. What this means is that we should find one exterior angle, and because the exterior angles are equal, we know that it's going to be 360 degrees divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Here we have been given the n. We are also told to find the sum of the interior angles, and we are supposed to find the interior angle, that is one interior angle. So here we are finding one exterior angle, here we are finding one interior angle, and for the B we are finding the sum of the interior angles. Okay, we know that the number of sides of the polygon is 8, so it means that n is 8. The first question told us to find the interior angle of the polygon. We know that the first question told us to find the exterior angle of the polygon. We know that the exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. Remember, this is different from the sum of the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degrees divided by n. We know that n is 8, so it's going to be 360 degrees divided by 8, and this is going to give us 45 degrees. So it means that each exterior angle of this regular polygon is 45 degrees. This is an 8-sided polygon, so it's called an octagon. Let's consider the B, the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. We know that the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees. N is 8, so we are going to have 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. We simplify this and we are getting 1080 degrees. So if you sum all the interior angles in the regular polygon, we are going to get 1080 degrees. The question told us again to find the interior angle of the polygon. The interior angle, which means that it's asking for one interior angle. You see here, the question told us to find the sum of the interior angles, but here we are told to find the interior angle, so it's asking for just one interior angle. And we know that that is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. We know n to be 8, so you place every n with 8 and you simplify, we are getting 135 degrees. So you place n with 8, then you simplify the whole thing and we are getting 135 degrees. Let's look at another question. A regular polygon has 5 sides. So this is a regular polygon with 5 sides, so it's called a pentagon. Find A, the exterior angle, B, the sum of the interior angles, and C, the interior angle. We know that the number of sides are 5, so n will give us 5. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is given by 360 degrees divided by n. Once again, this is different from the sum of the exterior angle, which is 360 degrees. This, we are supposed to find the exterior angle, which means that it's asking for one exterior angle. And because the polygon is a regular polygon, it's given by 360 degrees divided by n. So we replace n with 5, and we are getting 72 degrees. So if you have a regular pentagon, that is all sides are equal, then the exterior angle is given by 72 degrees. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180. We are supposed to find the sum of the interior angles of this polygon, which is a 5-sided figure, a pentagon. So we replace n with 5. We are getting 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. This will give us 3 times 180 degrees, and we are getting 540 degrees. So it means that if you have a pentagon, the sum of the interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degrees. The last question told us to find the interior angles of the regular polygon. That is one interior angle, and we know that to find one interior angle is going to be n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n. N is 5, so you place 5, n with 5 here. So you are getting 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 5. And this, if you simplify the whole thing, we are getting 108 degrees. We are having 108 degrees for this pentagon. Thank you for watching this video on finding the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. In the next video, we are going to pick more questions on using the formulas that we learned in this video to find the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Bye bye.